Did you know that Antarctica is the coldest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop to a bone-chilling negative 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit? Yes, you heard that right. It's a place that makes even the harshest of winters elsewhere seem like a mild spring day. Antarctica is a land of extremes. It's not just the coldest, but also the driest, windiest, and highest continent on our planet. The average temperature here ranges from a slightly less chilling -2 degrees in the coastal areas during the Antarctic summer to a frosty -20 degrees Fahrenheit in the colder inland regions. But it's not just the cold that's mind-boggling about this place. Consider its sheer size. Antarctica covers a whopping 14 million square kilometers, making it the 5th largest continent in the world. To put that into perspective, it's about twice the size of Australia, or 1.5 times the size of the United States. This vast landmass is primarily covered in ice, with a thickness that averages at about 1 mile. In fact, this ice holds about 70% of the world's fresh water. So while it may seem barren and inhospitable, Antarctica plays a crucial role in our planet's climate and water cycle. But don't let the cold and ice fool you into thinking that Antarctica is a lifeless desert. Far from it. It's home to a unique ecosystem that includes seals, penguins, and various types of birds. More on that in our upcoming scenes. But for now, let's just marvel at the sheer magnitude and extremity of this icy wilderness. It's a place that truly tests the limits of life on Earth and shows us the power and beauty of nature in its rawest form. So, if you're thinking about visiting, better pack your warmest clothes. Imagine a place where around 98% of its land is covered by ice. Welcome to Antarctica. This is a realm where the very air sparkles with tiny ice crystals, and the ground beneath your feet is a thick, ancient layer of frozen water. Here, the land doesn't just wear a winter coat, it is winter incarnate. The heart of this icy domain is the Antarctic ice sheet, the single largest mass of ice on Earth. This isn't just an idle fact to impress your friends with at parties. The Antarctic ice sheet plays a crucial role in our planet's health. It's like Earth's own air conditioner, reflecting sunlight back into space, helping to keep the global climate cool. Imagine the ice sheet as a colossal mirror bouncing the sun's rays away, preventing them from being absorbed and heating the planet. But it's not just about reflecting sunlight. This ice also locks away vast amounts of water, preventing it from contributing to sea level rise. Yet despite the chilling temperatures and harsh conditions, Antarctica is far from a barren wasteland. It's often referred to as the White Desert, a name that paints a picture of its vast, desolate, and snowy landscapes. But don't let that fool you into thinking it's devoid of life. Quite the contrary, as we'll discover later on. Antarctica is a place of extremes. It's the coldest, driest, windiest continent on Earth. But it's also a place of profound beauty and importance. A world of ice, yes, but one that teems with life, influences our climate, and captivates the imaginations of scientists and adventurers alike. As we journey deeper into the heart of Antarctica, remember this. Despite its icy exterior, this continent is a vital part of our planet's life system. Its health affects us all, no matter where we call home. Its story is our story. A land of ice indeed, but that's not all there is to Antarctica. Despite its harsh climate, Antarctica is home to an array of fascinating creatures. A testament to nature's resilience, species here have adapted to not only survive, but thrive in the Earth's coldest, windiest, and driest continent. Our journey through Antarctic wildlife begins with the emperor penguins. Majestic, and standing tall at over 4 feet, they are the largest of their kind. With an ability to dive up to 1,500 feet deep and hold their breath for nearly 20 minutes, they are truly remarkable swimmers. Their thick layer of blubber and tightly packed feathers provide an insulation that is vital for surviving the sub-zero temperatures. An interesting fact about the emperor penguin is its unique parenting. After the female lays a single egg, it is the male who incubates it for 2 long, harsh winter months, while the female returns to the sea to feed. Let's shift focus to the seals, where 4 species dominate: the Weddell, crab-eater, Ross, and leopard seals. Each has its own unique way of surviving. Take the Weddell seal, for instance. It has an extraordinary ability to locate breathing holes in the ice, even in complete darkness, thanks to its sensitive whiskers. Then there's the leopard seal, a fierce predator with an appetite for penguins and other seals, demonstrating the harsh reality of survival in this icy wilderness. The skies of Antarctica are also teeming with life. Numerous bird species, including the albatross, petrels, and sheathbills, grace the Antarctic skies and shores. Among these, the albatross is renowned for its impressive wingspan, which can reach up to 11 feet, enabling it to glide effortlessly over the ocean for hours. In the face of extreme adversity, these creatures have evolved remarkable survival strategies, each more fascinating than the last. Their existence in such a hostile environment is a testament to the wonders of nature's adaptability. These resilient animals truly embody the spirit of survival. Humans and Antarctica, an unlikely combination, isn't it? Yet despite the bitter cold and hostile conditions, we've managed to forge a relationship with this icy frontier. Over the years, human presence in Antarctica has been primarily driven by scientific curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge. Scientists from all over the world brave this harsh environment to conduct research, contributing to our understanding of the Earth's past, present, and future. They study everything from the climate and geology to the unique wildlife, making Antarctica a living laboratory like no other. But it's not just scientists who are drawn to the allure of the ice. Limited tourism has begun to spring up, with adventurous spirits seeking to witness the stark beauty of this untouched wilderness firsthand. However, these trips are carefully regulated to ensure minimal disturbance to the delicate ecosystem. Speaking of regulations, let's talk about the Antarctic Treaty System. This is a set of agreements between nations, which came into effect in the 1960s. The primary goal of this treaty is to preserve Antarctica for peaceful and scientific purposes. It prohibits military activity, mineral mining, nuclear testing, and nuclear waste disposal. It also supports scientific research and protects the continent's ecozone. Ongoing observation and inspections ensure that these rules are followed, making Antarctica a land dedicated to peace and science. The treaty also regulates tourism, ensuring that it doesn't harm the environment or disturb the wildlife. Tour operators must follow strict guidelines, and tourists are briefed about the do's and don'ts before their journey. So, while we have made our mark on Antarctica, we've done so with respect and care, acknowledging the fragility of this unique environment. We've learned to coexist with the cold, the ice, and the remarkable creatures that call this place home, all while striving to leave as little impact as possible. Thus, the footprint of humanity in this pristine wilderness remains minimal. What does the future hold for this icy wilderness? As we cast our gaze towards the future of Antarctica, it's impossible not to acknowledge the looming specter of climate change. This icy wilderness, a seemingly untouched utopia, is now at the forefront of global warming discussions. The story of Antarctica's future is, in many ways, the story of our planet's future. The ice caps of Antarctica, colossal and awe-inspiring, are melting at a rate that's faster than ever before. And this isn't just about losing an icy landscape. It's about the global repercussions that follow. As these ice caps retreat, sea levels worldwide are rising, threatening coastal communities and ecosystems. The melting ice is also disrupting the habitats of the incredible wildlife that call this frosty continent home. But it's not all doom and gloom. The future of Antarctica also presents us with an opportunity, a chance to rewrite our narrative. We as a global community have the power to slow the rate of ice melt, to protect the wildlife, and to safeguard our planet. Future research and conservation efforts in Antarctica are essential. Scientists around the world are studying this icy landscape not just to understand the effects of climate change but also to learn how we can mitigate them. They are exploring innovative solutions from geoengineering to carbon capture, and their discoveries could be pivotal in our fight against global warming. In addition, international treaties like the Antarctic Treaty System play a crucial role in preserving this unique environment. These agreements prohibit commercial exploitation and ensure that Antarctica remains a place for peaceful scientific exploration. Remember, we all have a part to play in the future of Antarctica. Every action we take, no matter how small, can contribute to the preservation of this icy wilderness. It's up to us to ensure that the frozen frontier of Antarctica endures for future generations to marvel at and learn from. Antarctica, a frozen frontier, a testament to life's resilience, and a stark reminder of our responsibility towards our planet. Remember to subscribe, like, and share if you enjoyed learning about the coldest, most mysterious continent on Earth.